Chapter 12. List of Warning Messages. Now we've reached the last chapter, which is about warnings in EnergyPLAN. Think of warnings like your car's yellow dashboard lights. Your car can still run, but is giving you a heads up that something isn't quite right and you should check it before continuing. EnergyPLAN uses these warnings to tell you when your energy system has something unusual happening, like too much electricity, not enough backup, or mismatched demand and supply. These warnings appear in three places: on the bottom left of your input screen while you are setting up, on the top of your output screen after running the simulation, and printed on your result sheets so you don't miss them. The first warning is called critical excess, which happens when you produce more electricity than you can export through the grid. Think of cooking too much food and your fridge is too small to store leftovers. EnergyPLAN warns you that you are wasting electricity unless you fix it by adding storage or reducing production. The second warning is grid stability problem. This happens when the stable electricity sources, like big power plants, aren't producing enough to keep the grid balanced. Think of it like having too many unstable boats in a harbor. You need some strong ships to keep the harbor calm. EnergyPLAN shows this when the share of stable producers falls below a safe level. Next is PP/import problem. This happens when you don't have enough power plants and the system tries to import electricity, but the transmission line is too small. It's like needing more water, but the pipe is too narrow, so you can't get enough. Then we have syn/biogas shortage. It happens when you ask for more biogas or syngas than you produce. It's like running a restaurant that promises pizza all day, but you only have enough dough for half the orders. The fifth warning is V2G connection too small. This happens when you have electric vehicles that need charging or vehicle-to-grid operations, but your charging station is too small. It's like trying to fill a swimming pool with a garden hose. It takes too long or never finishes. Number 6 is negative electricity demand. This one is a little tricky. Sometimes, because of wrong distributions or numbers, the model sees a negative demand, which is impossible. EnergyPLAN resets it to 0, but warns you to fix your inputs because this could mess up your totals. Then there's electrolyser increased, which means your hydrogen production capacity was too small, so EnergyPLAN automatically increased it to balance the system. It's like hiring extra cooks because you underestimated how many pieces you needed to bake. District heating boiler capacity too small is another common warning. When your boilers can't meet heating demand, EnergyPLAN warns you. You can fix it by either increasing boiler size or adding more efficient heating like heat pumps or CHP. There are also warnings about hydrogen electrolyzer capacities for transport and individual CHP systems. Basically, if you ask for hydrogen use in transport or homes but don't provide enough capacity to produce or store it, EnergyPLAN increases it automatically but warns you that investment costs might be underestimated. Overall, these warnings don't stop your simulation, but they are red flags for you to investigate. They help you catch small problems before they become big ones and teach you to design energy systems that are technically sound and realistic. It's like having a friendly co-pilot checking your settings before you take off.